In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make all pictures the same size in PowerPoint quickly and accurately. If you've ever inserted multiple images into a slide and struggled to line them up evenly, this simple technique will save you a lot of time and make your presentation look clean and professional. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to keep your images perfectly proportional. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the pictures you want to resize. The key here is to select all the images at the same time so you can apply the exact same dimensions to every single one. To select multiple pictures, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click on each picture one by one. As you click, you'll notice each image becomes selected with resize handles around it. Keep holding Control and continue clicking until all the pictures you want to resize are selected. If your images are grouped closely together, there's an even faster way. Simply click and drag your mouse across all the pictures to create a selection box around them. Once you release your mouse, every picture inside that box will be selected. This method is perfect when you have several images arranged in a grid or cluster. After selecting all the pictures, look at the top of your screen and click on the Picture Format tab. This tab only appears when an image is selected, so if you don't see it, double-check that your pictures are properly selected. Inside the Picture Format tab, move your attention to the right-hand side of the ribbon. You'll see a section labeled Size. This is where you can manually control the exact height and width of your selected images. Now, here's the important part. In the Height box, type in the exact height you want all your images to be. For example, you might enter 3 inches or 7 centimeters, depending on your presentation settings. Press Enter, and you'll notice all selected images instantly adjust to that same height. Next, go to the Width box right below or beside it, and enter the exact same width value you want applied to all pictures. Press Enter again, and now every selected image will share identical dimensions. If you want to maintain the original proportions of your images so they don't stretch or look distorted, make sure the aspect ratio is locked. You can check this by clicking the small dialog box launcher in the size group, then ensuring that Lock Aspect Ratio is selected. When this is enabled, changing either height or width will automatically adjust the other value proportionally. Once you've entered the same height and width for all images, click anywhere outside the pictures to deselect them. You should now see that every image is perfectly uniform in size, giving your slide a much cleaner and more organized appearance. This method is especially useful when creating comparison slides, team introduction slides, product showcases, or photo galleries. Consistent image sizing instantly makes your presentation look more polished and professional. And that's it. That's how you make all pictures the same size in PowerPoint using the Picture Format tab in the Size group. Quick, simple, and incredibly effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.